Hello everybody, today we make a stuffed shell with a sausage and pepper. For the ingredient we got nice green pepper, red pepper, garlic, half onion, shell, hot Italian sausage, pecorino cheese, and mozzarella. Okay, now we gotta start to chop all the ingredients. And we start with the garlic. And make sure everything gotta be really small piece. All right, now watch your finger, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, now we start with onion. Now this onion gotta be chopped the same like a garlic, really small. Okay, now I want to chop the pepper, the red and the green. But before, I want to clean up inside. And you cut in half. And you take the seeds out like that. But you got this yellow, and you can use a small knife, and you clean up like this. It's all. See how nice? See how beautiful? Nice clean. And now we got the green pepper. And we cut the same thing in half. We take this stem out. And still, you gotta clean up all this. I don't want to go, wanna saute. Okay, now we take this, it's out. And now we gotta chop the red and the green. Now this you gotta be chopped really thin too, small piece. And what I do, I slice the pepper really small, like this. And after you put it together, so you want to do like I do, or you can do one by one, but I do like this. And this is the red, and this other one, I show you the green, the same way, small piece. And you chop, and you mix it together. Because this you cook at the same time, it's the same thing. And like this, all the color, it comes so beautiful. Okay, now we gotta take the sausage I gotta do. I take it out of the gut. I call it gut. Budelle. I squeeze in the middle, like this. Come on, baby. Ooh, wow. Look at this nice, it come out. Boom. Okay, look at nice. Now this one, maybe I put in the washing machine. I wash it with the soap and I use it again. No. This you gotta go in the garbage. Okay, now we gotta go on the stove. I want to start fry the sausage. Okay, now we start with the pots over here. And I put a little oil. I gotta do the sausage first. Oil is enough. Cause the sausage got a little fat. And I don't want it too much greasy for my stuff for the shell. Okay, now this is the sausage. This you gotta be nice. Little piece you gotta come. I gotta stuff everything. Now this you gotta break everything to make like a chopped meat, okay? Cause this after when I gotta eat this is stuffed shell. It come out really good. The sausage, the pepper, the garlic, the onion. We gotta put a cheese, pecorino cheese, mozzarella, everything you gotta stick it together. This, after I got this spats over here, I salt already. I got the shell over there, the cook. Another thing, I got my own made tomato sauce. This I was making this year. Everybody saw the recipe I did on the outside. I cook this tomato. Okay, now it's a time we put the garlic and onion. Onion. And now this you gotta cook a little bit. And the garlic. Okay. And we give a nice turn it together with the sausage. And we leave it cook like maybe a minute and a half. The garlic, the onion, the sausage. After that, we gotta put the red and green pepper. Okay, now this is ready. And now it's the time of the pepper. Look how beautiful. Okay. Now we give a nice turn of the pepper, everything with the sausage, garlic, and onion. And now this you gotta cook like this. And you gotta cook really slow. And once in a while, make sure to turn everything, okay, you know, one burn. And now I gotta use the shell I gotta cook, about 9 minutes. Okay. And you make a nice turn, okay? And this on the top, do with the spoon, okay, go right down. Not turn too fast, okay, you don't want to break the shell. When the pasta is done, the sausage, the stuff for the shell, it be done the same time. Now I got the sauce over here, and I put the gas on really low, and like this, everything will be ready the same time. Okay, now the sausage, everything, the mix is done, but I want to take it out, I put on this dish, okay, gotta cool off, okay, I gotta mix with the cheese. And we take it out for this part, it gets really, really hot now. And this, after, still you gotta cook, when you cook on the shell, everything, still you gotta cook like maybe in the oven, about 20 minutes. Okay, now the pasta is ready. Now we take it over here, got this, you gotta cool off, and I gotta drain. I take some of the cold water inside. Okay, you gotta stop the cook. And we take the water like this. Cold water. Oh, look how beautiful, look at this shell. Okay, now we drain, and I put it right over here. Okay, good. After that, that's it. Look how beautiful look at this shell. Look at that. It's really nice. Okay, you don't gotta cook too much and not too, not too much al dente. But like this, it's really good. Because this, you gotta cook in the oven. Okay, now the mix, the stuff, everything ready. But I want to put a little pecorino cheese and mozzarella. I shred already the pecorino cheese and the mozzarella. And I put a little bit over here, the mix, a little bit mozzarella. And we finish mix the mix over here, and I do like that. It so look so beautiful. Look at this. And this, when you go in the oven, oh, it melt everything. And plus, this it go on the top. It gotta look so nice. Okay, now this is a mix everything. And we start with this the parts I want to use for put the stuffed shell. And what I do, I pour some sauce on a bottle of the pots, like that. But make sure to spread the sauce all over the pots. Cause the shell, you gotta go right on the top, the sauce. Okay, now we gotta stuff. And I want to stuff right over here. Okay, let's start. Now with the little spoon, he help you to stuff the shell. And you do like this. It look beautiful. Look at that. And we put one by one on these spots. Now, this job, you do home, especially on a Friday night, make this. Teach the kids to do this. They'd be so happy. Okay. Okay, now I stuffed all, and now I gotta put some of the sauce. Each one, I put right on the top like this. The cover, the stuffed. Like I say, after this, you gotta go in the oven. After, I got it right over here on my right side, pecorino cheese and mozzarella. Okay, we gotta put it right on the top. And this, you gotta look so beautiful. Okay, I got the oven on. It's a 400 degree. It gotta go for 20 minutes. Let's open the oven. And now, it go right over here. Okay. Look how beautiful it look. It gotta be more beautiful when I take it out. Okay, we wait now for 20 minutes after we put the mozzarella, the pecorino cheese on the top. I put I burn all the mozzarella on the top for 20 minutes. We put it at the end. Now it's time to put the mozzarella all over the shell. And you can use a lot of mozzarella. Okay? Mozzarella, everybody like mozzarella. All right. Now this, it was for 15 minutes. And I want to put a little pecorino cheese too on the top. Look how beautiful it look now. Okay, now this is done. And now you gotta go in the oven for 5 more minutes. Because the mozzarella gotta be all melted down. Okay. All right. I can't wait for you to this. Yeah, I want to drink a nice glass of wine with this. Look at this. It's 20 minutes, ready to go. Take it out of the oven. Look how beautiful it look. Ain't it nice? I smell so good. The cheese, pecorino cheese, the pepper. Everything you smell good. That's each sausage, everything. Look how beautiful it look. Really nice. I hope somebody make. I want a compliment for me. So somebody said, Chef Pasquale is so good. Now we leave it cool off a little bit and we can start eat. Okay, now it's time to taste my stuffed shell. And let's take. Oh, look how beautiful. I want to take one. I want to take another one. Oh, the mozzarella. Oh, good. Now, I want to taste them. It looks really, really good. Look at my Oye baby. Yeah, you can say it's my Oye baby. Good. It tastes good. Look at the stuff, the mozzarella. It's delicious. You can taste everything. The taste, you got the pepper, everything. It tastes so good. And with my Oye baby, it tastes lots more better than my oil, baby. This, it's really good, that nice glass of wine. Salute, chin chin, everybody, and we'll see next time. Salute, chin chin. Thank you.
Bye, you're in the video.
Now, I want to drain and put it right over here. Wait a minute. The fat is so hot.